Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Today, we're going to be discussing exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Of course, just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you aren't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and leave your comments on our videos here in July. This will get you entered for our 25,000 subscriber giveaway. Once we hit that milestone, we'll be giving away some TipRanks subscriptions as well as TipRanks swag like t-shirts. With that being said, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. Following a lot of red yesterday, U.S. stock futures seem to have stabilized and are now back in the green this morning. We have the Dow futures up 0.47%, S&P 500 futures up 0.42%, and NASDAQ futures up 0.45%. Bitcoin has fallen below 30,000 US dollars for the first time this month. Investors will be keeping a close eye on the coin to see how much further it will dip below this key price point. Goldman Sachs announced that they plan on hiring more than 2,000 new employees at their new office in India by 2023. Goldman announced the opening of this new office yesterday on July 19th. Their chairman and CEO said that the India facility will serve as a crucial innovation hub for the company's wide range of businesses, as well as boost its reputation as a global firm. By the end of 2021, it is expected that the office will grow to 800 employees, of which about 70% will be new hires. By 2023, the size of the India office could reach as many as 2,500 employees. Analysts currently rate the Goldman Sachs stock a strong buy with an average upside potential of almost 19%. Autonomous vehicle sensor and software company Luminar Technologies has acquired chip design partner and manufacturer Optogration. The buyout is expected to secure Luminar's supply chain and enable further integration with its existing chip design subsidiary, Black Forest Engineering. Their CTO at Luminar said that the Optogration team is unique in their ability to deliver photo detectors with the performance and quality that achieve our increasingly demanding requirements. Chip-level innovation and integration has been key to unlocking our performance and driving the substantial cost reductions that we've achieved. The Luminar stock does currently come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of 58%. Motorola has increased their video security and analytics portfolio with the launch of the Compass Decision Management System. This Compass system provides security intelligence that helps organizations in avoiding human error by highlighting key performance indicators, automating incident reporting, and outlining standard procedures. The system allows security managers to customize step-by-step procedures and guide their teams on how to respond to real-time events like intrusion and fire alarms, intercom calls, technical issues, and video analytic events. Analysts currently rate the Motorola stock a strong buy with an average upside of 12.7%. Dish Network and AT&T have announced a long-term partnership where AT&T will provide network services to Dish MVNO customers. The Network Services Agreement requires Dish to enable existing and potential customers of its retail wireless brands to access its coverage and connectivity on AT&T's wireless network as well as on Dish's new 5G network. Notably, the partnership will expedite Dish's efforts to extend the reach of its wireless distribution to rural markets. AT&T will also provide transport and roaming services to back the Dish 5G network. The partnership is important to Dish as it will help the company leverage AT&T's reliable and fast 5G network, which already serves 250 million people across the country over sub-6 spectrum and millimeter wave spectrum. The Dish stock currently comes in with a hold rating, but does have an average upside potential of nearly 22%. Now, let's take a look at some notable earnings reports. Starting off with International Business Machines, or IBM, who posted some upbeat second quarter results. Their adjusted earnings per share increased 7% year over year to $2.33, beating the street's estimates of $2.29. Their quarterly revenue surged 3% year-over-year to $18.7 billion, surpassing expectations of $18.29 billion. Analysts currently rate the stock a moderate buy, with several hold ratings coming in recently and an average upside just over 9%. We also heard from Tractor Supply, whose shares have slipped a few percent despite reporting solid second quarter results and raising their fiscal 2021 guidance. The company reported adjusted earnings of $3.19 per share, beating analyst expectations of $2.90 per share. Their net sales of $3.6 billion exceeded the consensus estimate of $3.42 billion. Based on robust Q2 results and market share gains, they raised their guidance for fiscal 2021 and are now forecasting adjusted earnings in the range of $7.70 to $8 per share. Their stock currently comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 11%. And coming in with lower than expected earnings for their second quarter was PPG Industries. The company reported adjusted earnings per share of $1.94, up from $1.09 compared to last year, but missing the street's estimates of $2.20. Their quarterly net sales increased 45% year-over-year to $4.4 billion, and it did marginally beat analyst expectations of $4.33 billion. Their stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 15%. In other earnings this morning, we're waiting to hear from Ally Financial and Halliburton, and in the after hours, Netflix, United Airlines, and Chipotle Mexican Grills. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Neurobo Pharmaceuticals. Under the ticker NRBO, they're currently up nearly 32% in the pre-market so far. Followed by Immunome under IMNM, currently up 25%, and Lantern Pharma under LTRN, currently up nearly 15%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Ardelyx. Under the ticker ARDX, they're currently down 73% in the pre-market following bad news from the FDA, followed by Brickell Biotech under the ticker BBI, currently down over 20%, and Allied Healthcare Products under AHPI, currently down over 11%, following a gain of 43% yesterday. So that'll be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you back here next time.